Hello, welcome back to the rearrangement of the spare tire area on this Mustang Mach 1, but it applies to all other Mustangs without the spare tire options such as the GT350, the GT500, and the performance pack Mustangs. If you haven't watched part 1, I explain how I install the carpet, so you should go and check it out to get the full experience. We left off where I was explaining how I was going to make the plastic 3D printed casing for the pump and tow hook. I also made a removable support arm for the people who still want to put super heavy objects in the trunk. So let's see how it turned out. I used a basic software to design the parts, and this is what they look like. So you can see it's a J shape that will hold the pump, and the front pieces are to secure the tow hook. The two little squares at the back will be handy to secure the box in the vehicle, as well as other pieces of Velcro at the bottom. And after that, all I have to do is load it in the printer and come back a couple hours later. As you can see now, it's in the final seconds of printing. And look at that, printed exactly how it was designed. So that's good. Let's move on to the touch-ups to give it a good finish and make sure the main purpose of the box is achieved, which is to secure the two parts in place. So what we're doing here is just adding a little bit of felt around the parts to reduce the vibration and make sure it has a snug fit. And the final step of assembly is to put the side bands and felt strips inside to improve the fit of the pump. I don't know for you guys, but I think this looks really good. To be honest, like super clean and kind of more in line with the car than a kind of grayish, big, bulky styrofoam box. It just, for me, the stock setup lacks a little bit of finish, to be honest. It is a snug fit for the pump and the tow hook. You can even flip it upside down and nothing will move. All we have to do now is install it in the car. You can leave it in for all your track activities or remove it and save the measured 5.6 pounds of total weight. As you can see, nothing of the mods are permanent and it's fully reversible to the original setup. We used those little strips of glue from like the Velcro factory, so nothing very invasive. like I said earlier in this video, I made a little support arm that you can unscrew for more space, or if you screw it on, it'll really allow you to put heavy stuff on that little plastic lid that will cover this area once we're done. Those plastic parts are super light and sturdy because of how the 3D printer makes the infill, which is not possible when you cast plastic. Let's go ahead and see the before and after results. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.